Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you June bullet journal plan with me. I tried really hard to get this one up before the 1st of June and I think I did it. And for June, I decided to choose a amusement park or like a circus kind of theme because in China, actually the 1st of June, it is Children's Day, so that is the day that all the kids have their like one day for free from the school, and then their parents usually take one day off and take their children to the park, to the amusement park. So that's really kind of like a happy day for all the kids. So I decided I wanted to dedicate my June plan with me to this day. And I know in another country, Children's Day is now the 1st of June, but I checked it out on Google and it feels like in another country, Children's Day is also kind of in June. So I figured, okay, it's perfect. I'm just gonna do a very colorful, very happy circus theme bullet journal. So you can see that I'm already illustrating my cover page and I'm drawing a lot of orange stars. Actually, it kind of reminds me of Dragon Ball, but are they 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it was, I didn't do it on purpose, but it's exactly 7 stars. So it really does remind me of Dragon Ball. Anyway, so I have this design like a circus tent in the middle, and then I write June in a really bold kind of font, and then around this cloud kind of design I have all this swirly lines and like peeking out from the cloud. I really don't know how to explain it, but you can see what I'm doing. And then I'm adding some hot air balloon. I have trouble talking now. The color that I choose for this month, it is red, yellow, orange, and a little bit of blue. Usually I would just choose one accent color, but since it is for children, it's for kids, it's a lot of happy colors, so I wanted to use a lot of bold colors to play with the color combination, so I come up with this one, and I hope you guys like this one. Actually, like I said, I just want to use 4 different colors, but after I finished this page, I feel like the cloud area, it's a little bit too plain, so I added like a skin color kind of color, just to make it not to jump out. And also it kind of looked like a ticket that you would buy to go inside the circus, so I think it fits perfectly. And now you can see that I am drawing my June calendar. Last month I tried out this really tiny calendar and it worked out really well, so I figured I can use it again. And then of course I have to play with all different colors that I choose for this month, and I write down all the days for the week. I think it's really happy. Overall, I think it's really happy. Oh, by the way, this plan with me actually filmed after the second bullet journal setup for 2019. I don't know if it's too confusing, but actually you saw me flipping back at the beginning of the page, like the yearly log. That video, I haven't added it yet, but I already recorded it. That's why that part is already set it up. Is it too confused? If it is, I'm sorry. But anyway, I'm just finishing my calendar. And on the right side of the page, I have important dates. And I kind of designed, actually this is not my design, but I saw it on Pinterest somewhere. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. It's kind of like a, I don't know, it's kind of like a game. You have a hammer and then you like hit it really hard at the bottom on the ground, and then depending like how hard you hit it, and you have a number, and then you just like compete with your friends and family. It's a really fun little game, and when I did it with my cousin, we got really competitive, like when we're really young. So I used that as my important dates section. Alright, next page we have the Moat Tracker, and I decided to use Shooting the Duck. I don't know how many of you played this game. Basically, you get like a toy gun and then you just shoot to the ducks that is moving in front of you, and then depending on how many you shoot or the position that you shoot, and then you get a certain prize. That was my favorite game when we go to Circus or go to the amusement park. And I still do that to this day. So I decided, okay, I'm just gonna use that for my mood tracker. And basically there are 30 ducks in there, and I drew a little legend at the bottom of the page. So every day I just fill in one color to represent my day. Alright, next page, it is my video ideas page. For this month, I kind of have a lot of videos planned because for July, we're going on a trip, so there's a lot of things to plan. There's a lot of videos to pre-film, so I kind of decorate this page a little bit extra just for me to like happy to use it. You can see like I have like a sunburst kind of design. Usually I wouldn't take this so much effort to my video ideas page, but this time I did it, and I really like it. You probably realized that this month I don't have a habit tracker because I just feel like I haven't been really good at tracking my habits since May. So I figured, okay, I'm gonna take 1 month's break. I'm just simply take it out of my system, and I'll do that again when I feel like it. So it's not a big deal. You can always customize like what spreads suit you the best. So yeah. Next, these 2 pages are empty pages and expense page. So I don't know what to explain, but I kind of drew this page together as one ticket. It kind of looked like a ticket, like entrance ticket when you buy at the cashier. And I draw a lot of like entertainment stuff at the bottom of the ticket. I don't know, it's just, I don't know, it kind of feels like a really fun little ticket to me. Another change for this month is I moved the memory page before all my weekly spreads, because for this month I kind of have a lot of things going on for my weekly spreads. I actually feel like it's better for me to have like the memory page before the weekly spread. Speaking of weekly spread, I have it over here. It's an open to-do list system. It's pretty simple. I don't have a specific day written down, just an open to-do list. And I'm planning to have all the open to-do lists for the whole month of June, which I never did it before, but I think it'll be cool to try it out. So now I have the final flip through. I really do like this theme. It just looks so happy, and it's exactly what I needed. And it's so summery and it's so colorful. I like it. I hope you guys like it too. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.